Hi everyone. Building an email list is crucial for your business. It helps you to stay connected with your audience and promote your products and services regularly. One of the most effective ways to grow your email list is by offering a lead magnet. This is a valuable freebie in exchange for the subscriber or would-be subscriber to give you their email address. Today we'll explore 12 of the best lead magnet ideas for your business. Before we continue, if you prefer to you want to learn about these 12 lead magnet ideas in more detail, I've written more about it in my blog posts. I've written them in more detail, how to do about them, how to do them, examples. So if you want to learn more about them, go to my blog post. The link is in the description below. Offer a free assessment or quiz tailored to your audience. This positions you as an expert and helps identify their needs. For instance, a financial advisor could offer a financial health assessment. This provides valuable insights and opens the door to future engagement. Create a bonus pack with exclusive content for your subscribers. It could include ebooks, checklists, templates, and more. For example, a social media marketing blogger might offer an ebook on social media strategy. Develop a cheat sheet for quick reference on important topics on your field. A software developer could create one for common keyword shortcuts. Provide checklists to help your audience complete specific tasks or achieve goals. For instance, a wedding planner could offer a wedding planning checklist. You can create a forum or membership site for your subscribers to connect and share their interests. For example, travel bloggers, for example, can offer a space for travelers to share tips and questions. You can also write a mini ebook on a topic that you know that will interest your audience. For example, a marketing consultant might write an ebook on crafting a content marketing strategy. Yeah, so I might consider that. Again, if you prefer to learn more about these 12 lead magnet ideas in more detail, I have written more about them and how to do them with examples in my blog posts. Go to the description below to click on the link now. You can craft a resource guide listing valuable tools, books, and resources. For instance, a personal finance blogger could provide a guide to financial resources. Another lead magnet idea is to develop a useful spreadsheet that automates tasks or processes. A freelance writer might create one for managing writing projects. I'm now an author, so I might create one as a lead magnet. Who knows? You can offer templates and scripts to save your audience time and effort. For example, a social media marketer could provide a social media content template. Another freebie, lead magnet could be to host webinars on topics relevant to your audience. A software developer might host a webinar on a new software tool, or maybe an update, a new update on the app that he has developed. You can create workbooks to help your audience learn new skills and achieve goals. For instance, a fitness trainer could offer a fitness guide workbook. There are bottom of the funnel magnet ideas. Here's one. A case study, for example, demonstrates how your product or service benefits customers. So one more time, if you prefer to learn more in detail, more detail about all these 12 magnet ideas, I've written about them. Go to my blog. The link is in the description below. No matter which lead magnet you choose, make it valuable and easy to access. Your aim is to build a large and engaged email list. So go ahead, select your ideal lead magnet and start growing your email list today. Thank you for joining me in this email list building journey. I'll see you next time. If you have any questions or comments, please add them to the comments section below. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.